Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring a vital yet often overlooked aspect, self-trust. It's not just about trust in others. It's about the unwavering belief in the one person who knows your story best, yourself. Stick around for insights that might just spark a new sense of trust within you. You've been through an event that shook your confidence. Maybe it was a mistake at work, a relationship that didn't work out, or a dream you had to put on hold. Suddenly, that inner voice starts whispering doubts, making you question your decisions, abilities, and worth. Been there? I know I have. Those moments can feel like quicksand pulling you down, eroding the trust you had in yourself. But why talk about self-trust? Because it's the backbone of everything. It's the compass guiding your choices, the cheerleader in your corner when things get tough, and the foundation of your well-being. When self-trust wavers, it affects every aspect of your life, relationships, career, mental health, you name it. So when does self-trust break? It happens when we doubt our intuition, ignore our needs, or let fear take the wheel. Procrastination, self-criticism, or comparing ourselves to others can chip away at it too. It's like a vase. When dropped, it shatters, leaving behind those fragments of doubt and uncertainty. But hey, here's the good news. You can rebuild it. It's like piecing together that broken vase, one shard at a time. Start by being kind to yourself, honoring your commitments, and celebrating even the smallest wins. Listen to your gut, embrace imperfections, and take steps, no matter how small, towards your goals. And the perks? Oh, they're countless. When you trust yourself, you invite in confidence, resilience, and peace. Decision-making becomes less daunting, risks feel more manageable, and you become a magnet for positivity and opportunities. So, my wonderful friends, if this resonates with you, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs a little self-trust boost, and subscribe for more soul-nourishing content.